6 eggs, 6 ways. Korean edition. Let's see kung ano yung magugustuhan ko rito. So we have egg with gochujang, egg with buldak, egg with Korean mayo, egg with kimchi, egg with wasabi and seaweed, and egg with Korean tuna. So unahin natin itong kimchi. Alat. 6 out of 10. Next, with Korean mayo. Ang sarap. 8.5 out of 10. Next, natakot akong kainin to eh. Wasabi with seaweed. Parang ayoko kainin. Sakit sa ano? Sakit sa ilong. 2 out of 10. Ayoko na. Next, Korean canned tuna. The best. 9 out of 10. Perfect combination. Tuna with egg. Gochujang. Ang weird ng lasa. 5 out of 10. Di ko nagustuhan. Last, egg with buldak. Na may cheese on top. The best. 10 out of 10.